Beth Comstock once said, "Marketing's job is never done. It's about perpetual motion. We must continue to innovate every day." Now with WhatsApp automated marketing, it is as perpetual as it can be. Welcome back to Business Mind, your hub for all things business and marketing. In today's video, you can say goodbye to manual tasks and hello to efficiency, as we unlock the secrets to reaching your audience seamlessly on one of the world's most popular messaging platforms. This is Business Mind. Join us as we dream big and achieve bigger. Why WhatsApp Business API? Let's kick things off by understanding the WhatsApp Business API. Unlike the standard WhatsApp application, the API is tailored for businesses, offering a range of distinct features. Verified profiles grant your business credibility, fostering trust with customers. With larger broadcast lists, you can reach a wider audience seamlessly. The magic lies in automated responses, letting you engage customers instantly, whether it's answering fax or confirming orders. These advantages make the WhatsApp Business API a game changer for businesses looking to enhance their customer interactions. Setting up your WhatsApp business account. If you already have set up your WhatsApp business profile, you may skip this part, although we suggest that you listen closely to make sure you have covered all bases. Now let's dive into setting up your very own WhatsApp business account. Follow these steps to establish a strong presence on this dynamic platform. First, head to the WhatsApp Business app or download it if you haven't already. The app is your gateway to seamless business communication. Once you're in, select your business type and provide a phone number that will be associated with your account. Remember, this should be a dedicated business number to maintain professionalism. Next comes the verification process. WhatsApp will send you a verification code, which you will need to enter to prove your authenticity. This step ensures that customers can trust the information you share. Once verified, you can customize your business profile to stand out. Upload your logo, a captivating description that highlights your unique value, and don't forget to include essential details like your address and working hours. Transparency is key. Customers appreciate transparency, so ensure your profile information is accurate and up-to-date. The logo adds a visual identity to your brand, making it easily recognizable in chats. The description is your chance to make a compelling first impression and showcase what sets you apart. Contact details help customers reach you effortlessly. This assures the customers that you are a human they can relate to and not just a bot that will leave them hanging when they are with concerns. Remember, your WhatsApp business profile is often the first point of contact for customers. Make it inviting and informative. With your profile set up, you are now ready to explore the possibilities of automated marketing through the WhatsApp Business API. And with automated marketing, you can now focus your energy on other components that will make your business successful. And isn't that the main reason you're here after all? You're in pursuit of your goal, which is business success, driven by dedication and motivation to make everything work. Well, not to worry, because here on Business Mind, we want you to dream big and achieve bigger. And we have set it up just for you. Check the link in the description below, and who knows, your streak of success might just be one click away. Automated marketing. Now on to the star of the show. Let's unlock the potential of automated messaging flows using the WhatsApp Business API. Imagine reaching your customers with timely, personalized messages without lifting a finger. It's all possible through automated flows. Automated marketing, creating the flow. Creating these flows is surprisingly intuitive. Start by defining triggers that initiate messages. These could be actions like a new order or a customer query. With the WhatsApp Business API, you can set up automated responses to these triggers. For instance, a customer places an order and receives an immediate confirmation, complete with order details and estimated delivery times. Automated marketing, what can it do? But that is just the beginning. Let's explore some common use cases. Appointment reminders become a breeze, sending clients timely notifications without manual effort. Fax are handled seamlessly too, providing instant answers to common queries. These automated flows enhance customer experience by delivering information when it's most relevant. Remember, while automation is powerful, it is essential to strike a balance. Be sure to tailor your messaging to ensure it feels genuine and not overly robotic. Effective automated marketing. But wait, want to know what can set you apart? Well, listen closely. Welcome to the realm of best practices for automated marketing through the WhatsApp Business API. Crafting compelling automated messages is an art that requires finesse and strategy. Let's dive into some key tips to make sure your messages stand out. Keep it conversational. Your automated messages should feel like a natural extension of your brand's voice. Use friendly language and avoid sounding overly robotic. Personalization is key. Mention the recipient's name and tailor the content to their preferences whenever possible. Time it right. Ensure your messages are sent at appropriate times to avoid disrupting your customers' routines. Sending order confirmations immediately is great, but consider sending marketing messages during non-intrusive hours. Segmentation. Segmentation is your secret weapon. Divide your audience into groups based on interest, behaviors, or demographics. This allows you to send highly relevant messages that resonate with each group. For instance, a customer interested in fashion won't be interested in tech updates. Automated messages are your brand's digital handshake, so make them memorable. Incorporate rich media like images, videos, and GIFs to add visual interest. Remember, engagement drives results. Dangers of automated marketing. As we navigate the exciting world of automated marketing, it is important to steer clear of potential pitfalls. Overusing automation can lead to a disconnect with your customers, so strike a balance between automation and genuine human interaction. Beware of spam. Unsolicited, irrelevant messages can tarnish your brand's reputation. Always obtain consent from customers before sending them marketing content. Remember, quality trumps quantity. Equally crucial is adhering to WhatsApp guidelines and regulations. Maintain the integrity of the platform by using automation responsibly. WhatsApp has strict policies in place to ensure a positive user experience. Violations can lead to restrictions or even account suspension. Keep your messaging genuine, relevant, and respectful. Analytics and tracking. Analytics provide a window into your audience's engagement. You can monitor metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and response times. These metrics help gauge the effectiveness of your messages and identify what resonates best with your audience. Dig deeper with conversion tracking. Measure how many recipients take desired actions, such as making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. This data is invaluable for optimizing your automated messaging flows. Remember, data doesn't just inform, it empowers. By analyzing these metrics, you're equipped to fine-tune your messaging strategy, tailor content, and enhance the overall customer experience. Consistency and adaptability. Finally, in the dynamic world of automated marketing, two guiding principles stand strong: consistency and adaptability. Consistency is the glue that binds your brand's messaging. Maintain a uniform tone, style, and frequency across your automated communications. This builds familiarity and trust among your audience, ensuring that your messages are instantly recognizable. However, the landscape evolves, and that's where adaptability shines. Stay attuned to your customers' changing needs and preferences. Use the data and insights you gather to pivot and refine your strategy. A message that worked last month might not resonate today, so embrace flexibility. Remember, the synergy between consistency and adaptability is what propels your marketing forward. A consistent presence cultivates reliability, while adaptability keeps you relevant. Striking this balance empowers you to navigate the ever-evolving marketing landscape with confidence and success. And there you have it. We have explored the art of automated marketing with WhatsApp. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. If you're ready to turn dreams into achievements, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit that notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So, go ahead, dream big, work hard, and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.